Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking Cassareep chicken, Pachownie, dal and rice. And this is requested by my sister. She's visiting today, so I'm making dinner for her. In this bowl I have marmad pork, Guyana fine thyme, Bandanya, Wiri peppers, balafire, onion and garlic. Let this fry for 5 minutes. Same thing for the Cassareep chicken. We have marmad pork, Guyana fine thyme, Bandanya, garlic, onion, Wiri peppers, and balafire. And I already made the dal. Now I'm gonna add the curry leaf, garam masala, Indi madras curry powder, Lala curry powder, and the chicken cube. And I'm not going to add water because the seasoning already have water. For the Cassareep chicken, I will add the Lala curry powder, Indi madras curry powder, garam masala, and chicken cube. And we'll let this bonje. Now for the Pachownie, the masala finished bonje. I'm going to add the first thing. I have some lamb meat here cut up. Now I'll add the liver and the lite, and the runner and tripe. And I already boiled the liver, the lite, the heart, the runner, and the tripe, and throw away the water. Now I'll cover this and continue cooking. Now for the Cassareep chicken, the masala is finished bonje. I'm gonna add the chicken. And we're gonna cover this and continue cooking. Now it's 5 minutes for the Pachownie. I'm going to add boiling water. I'm going to cover and continue cooking. Now the water dry out from the chicken. I'm gonna add the Cassareep. And I'll add boiling water. We're gonna cover and continue cooking. Now I'm gonna add salt and black pepper. with salt and black pepper. We're gonna cover and continue cooking. This is almost finished. It's been cooking for 1 hour now. Now I will add the green onion. And now I'll leave the lid off and continue cooking. For the Cassareep chicken, I will leave the lid off and continue cooking. This is almost finished. And this is almost finished. Now I'll add the green onion. And the Cassareep chicken is finished. And the Pachownie is finished. Here is my lambpachownie, Cassareep chicken, dal and rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.